visually. For example, job and household things and others also task is there. So they are having hectic lifestyle. We hardly have any time to relax. This refrain is far too common, but in this hectic race and pollution filled times, there is necessity. So, necessity means something that you must have. It means you must have take some task which you is going to relax you. Relax means to rest while you are doing something enjoyable, especially after work or effort. So in this chapter we are going to learn few tips that you can closer when you want to relax. If you are going to closer to nature, it will be relax to your soul and mind. So how you can feel closer to nature, which activity you can perform in the busy city life, that we are going to learn in this chapter. The first thing you can see, walk up early. Walk up early and go for walk, run or bike ride first thing in the morning. When the city is still quiet, you will see more wildlife that way and enjoy the fresh cool air. When you will enjoy this type of activity, you feel cool and calm, and whatever uh, tension is there, that will be released. Next thing is that schedule nature loving routine. Schedule nature loving routine. Schedule time daily or weekly to spend outside in a park or on a walk, or just sit or stand by an open window. And this is also a very good thing. You can take one cup of tea and sit near window and watch outside and enjoy your tea or your drink. So that is a very relaxing things. Your mind and your body also will be relaxed. So for 5 to 10 minutes you can spend daily like this way. Next, what you can do, next thing is a join or make to close a nature group. Join or make a close to nature group. One group you can create like this way in picture. You can see many persons are there. They are created one group, and you can perform a different type of activity in nature. Members can meet once or twice a week in green spot of the city, and you can enjoy cycling. If trekking option is there, so that you can opt. Boating option you can take. Bird watching is a very good thing for relaxing your mind and body, that you can opt. Or you can plan picnic in the open and green areas. So that is also a good option to closer to nature, and you can enjoy and you can relax to your mind. Now next is eat outside. That is also a good option. Eat outside. Here we are not talking about go to restaurant and enjoy the fast food and everything. No, this is not. That is a different option. How you can take. Eat outside means pack a lunch or dinner and go out in open park, or you can select any field for dinner or lunch with family or friends. So suppose if sufficient family members are there, then you can go with them, prepare all the foods uh, in home also, and then you can go there and enjoy. You can play something and you can enjoy 2-3 hours, or whatever time you are having, according to that you can enjoy it. Or you can enjoy with friend also. You can call them and with friends also you can go. Even a terrace dinner or balcony dinner is fun to enjoy, because nowadays is a corona kal, you all we know that. So outside is not possible, so we can prepare all the foods and we can go on the terrace, and there uh, many person are having plant also. So near that you can sit and you can enjoy your food with your family members. So that is also a good option. You can arrange dinner and lunch in balcony area. Now next is a plant a garden. Plant a garden, that is also a good thing. You don't have to have a large space for it. It is not necessary if you are having large space then only you can plant the garden. No, container gardens and potted plants are a good alternative too, and can fit in a balcony. If a small balcony is there, then less plant you can take. Small container you can take. If balcony size is little big, so according to that you can select plant, and that is also, and take care for them. At least 10 to 15 minutes you have to give for this, and this is also a very good thing. Like this way also you will close to nature. And in small container and pot you can put some herbals also, and it will be useful in your kitchen. For example, tulsi and other things also is available. Neem, sweet neem, that is there, curry leaf. That is that type of plant you can take. You can take care for that. It will be good, and you feel happy. So now that was a chapter. Now it is over.